When we really think about Lord Ram, the first thing comes into our mind is 14 years of his Vanvas and its journey, which was all across India. After traveling 26 km towards Chhattisgarh border, we have finally reached to Ramrekha Dham gate. So now let's explore. According to a Hindu mythology Ramayana, Lord Ram along with Devi Sita and brother Lakshman spent some of their exile time here in Ramrekha Dham, and now we are sitting next to Lord Rama's residence at that time, which has now become the main temple of Ramrekha. In his exile time of 14 years, Lord Ram resided mainly in 17 places, but according to historians and archaeologists, it was more than 200 places connected with this event. As we know, this place is connected to Treta Yuga and many archaeological structures still exist here, which are concerned to used by Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman. So mainly there is Gupt Ganga, Sita Chulha, Charan Paduka, Agni Kund and many more relevant things related to this place. So now just have a look on them. Along with its archaeological importance, the scenic beauty of this location attracts people. Green mountains blended with small villages beneath it shares surprising view and long-lasting memories. In this delightful place, devotees reach all around the year in order to offer their prayer, but large number of people arrive on the occasion of Kartik and Magh Purnima, which are on the months of November and January. Green mountains blended with small villages beneath it shares surprising view and long-lasting memories. So on this occasion, 4-day Kartik fair is organized and its main attraction is domicile worship, which is done in night. And other attractions are also there, like Nagpuri cultural activities, Nagpuri movies that are being showcased, and other Nagpuri activities and other devotional activities related to Lord Ram, and all the things and program is being conducted whole night. The main temple is inside these caves. In this giant cave temple, the statue of Lord Ram, Lakshman, Mata Sita along with Brahmalin, Ramrekha Baba and Devraha Baba is installed. Apart from this, Garud pillar facing temple, Shivling, Hanuman temple as well as Samadhi Sthal of Ramrekha Baba has been built in this dham. According to a saying, in this high altitude, Lord Lakshmana hit ground with his arrow to get water for Devi Sita and was called Gupt Ganga. So at last, why Ramrekha is called Ramrekha? Ramrekha is called Ramrekha because the straight line or the streaks you can say is drawn in the roofs inside these caves. Even today, there is feeling of God residing here in every particle, and definitely I'll be taking some of the spiritual energy of Lord Rama from here. Keep exploring. Thank you.